CharMeter sent us for free one of their Sous Vide. I believe what it is this device that you put in your pot with your meat. It has preset programs and it'll cook your meat for you. But I'm not sure yet, so I have to unbox it and test it out. It comes with an instruction manual. And it says it's the Sous Vide machine, and the model number is CSV100W. So here it is. It's a lot bigger than I expected. It has a cord here for power. It has this clamp here where you clamp it to your pot so it stays stable. And then it has a screen here. So what I have to do next is read the manual, and then we're going to test it out and cook something together. So right here you have an indicator light, and then on top is the LCD screen, which it shows the current temperature, which must be the room temperature, a set temperature, a timer, and a set timer, and the Wi-Fi that's connected, and stop. So it's stopped right now. And it appears that you can set it manually, or you can set it in your app. And you can do it manual settings, or you can use the custom settings, which has different meats and different settings for each meat. Since I'm not going to be using a bag at all today, we're going to go ahead and clean it for the first time. And I looked online and it says that you use 50% water with 50% white vinegar, and you put it at, I think, 150 degrees for 1 hour. I've got it set for 60 minutes and it was actually 140 degrees. So I should just be able to push play. And it says preparing. And up here it says time left 60 minutes. And right now it's at 71 degrees. We're going to be cooking 3 New York strip steaks, and 2 of them are bigger than this one in the front. This one looks like about 1 inch, and the other 2 maybe about 1.5 inches thick. And I like steaks at least medium, so I'm going to cook these at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1.5 hours. So I'm going to manually set this to 140 degrees. And I'm going to be cooking this for, maybe we should put 1 hour, 30 minutes. And hit confirm. And, oh, and then I hit this play button. And there it goes. It's saying that it's preparing because it's getting it up to the right temperature. And the light turned green.
Interesting, it started to move.
Yeah, there's a fan inside of this that circulates the water. We are brand new to sous vide cooking, but you're supposed to be able to get the steaks cooked perfectly when you do this. And I realized that we're not using the bags, and that would probably work better, but I've seen videos on YouTube where people were doing it without the bags and it still worked. At some point we may buy some silicone bags. I was going to charcoal these steaks and give them a nice delicious sear, but as you can see, the rain came in and now I'm going to have to do something else. It's done. I'm also cooking for my kids, and they like their steaks either medium well or well done. And as you saw, they were pink inside, so we're gonna cook them a little more. So we're putting a little olive oil on the steaks to keep them from sticking to the grill. Next is salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. let's put these steaks on the grill. All right, it looks good. Let's take them out. Here's what our steaks look like. Let's cut it and see what it looks like on the inside. Now cut like a bunch of slices.
Looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks good. All right, let's try it. Very delicious. And we cooked it well.
Yeah, some people don't like that.
If we would have had it medium rare, it would be even more tender in the inside. For our first time cooking sous vide without the bags, I think we did a good job. So here are my final thoughts. Overall, I like this and it did a good job. Even though we are cooking the steak without bags, which is not what you're supposed to do, it did work. I highly recommend that you don't do that though, because it gets it really dirty inside and it's a lot of work to clean it up. And it probably would taste better if you did it in the bag. That way you could season it better and then it would be sealed inside the bag while it's cooking. It was easy to use and I especially liked using the app. And we're planning on getting some silicone bags so we can do it right next time. Also, if you use the bags, there won't be a mess and that'll be much more convenient for you. As you saw, it was raining in the video, so I didn't end up putting it on charcoal, but I'm thinking about buying one of those blow torches that you may have seen in another video where they finish the meat with this blow torch and it would be really quick. So CharMeter, I hope you build one of those because I think that would be a great addition to this. Overall, it worked good and we're pleased with it. And now, I'm going to eat some of this delicious medieval apple pie.